Hey friends, welcome to my channel Kiddie Cove. So today we are gonna learn about numbers. So we will learn how to count numbers from 1 to 10. Yay! So let's start counting. Here comes the first number. So we will start counting from number 1. Let's count the objects. 1. Clock. 'So let's see what will come after 1 now. Oh, it's number 2. 1 and 2. 2 apples. Can you count with me? 1 and 2. 2 apples. And the next one is number 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 fishes. Yeah, well done. You have done a great job. Can you tell me what is the next number? Oh, let's see. Oh, it's number 4. 1, 2, 3, and number 4. 4 honeybees. Oh, what is next for us? It's number 5. Let's count. 1. Oh, number 1 is floating in the sky. 2. Oh, number 2 is floating now. 3. Oh, it's number 4. What will be the next? And the last one balloon will be number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 balloons. And the next one is number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many books are these? 6 books. Yeah, well done. What is the next number? I guess it's number 7. Yes, it's number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chairs. And the next one is number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! You have counted correctly. Well done. Okay, so number 9 is here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, 9 frogs. And here comes the last number. And the last number is number 10. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 flowers. So what did we learn today? We have learned numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more interesting videos. Thank you friends. Bye bye.